Right, here we go. Van's off for its MOT, so let's see how we go. Got to back my way through the school traffic. Just make sure I'm there in plenty of time. It's only about 10 minutes away normally, but we'll see how that goes with the traffic and that. And yeah, fingers crossed. What have we done? Get out of this parking space. There we go. We are on 276,852 miles, so it's quite a high mileage van, I suppose, in the grand scheme of things. But then again, I have seen on Facebook forums and YouTube videos people with 400,000 miles, 350,000 miles on there. Sprinters and crafters, so if you compare it to that, I suppose it's just a drop in the ocean at 276,000 miles. Okay, right, we're not far away, as I said, and it's a beautiful, crisp, sunny morning. Nice and warm, actually. Nice and warm. So, making our way down there now. I did mention to him when I booked it in, I said, oh, one of the front brake seems to be a little bit noisy, a little bit squealy. And she said, don't worry, we're going to test all that as part of the MOT, which I know they will anyway, but I just thought I'd mention it. So we'll see if anything comes of that. And apart from that, it's running extremely well. It's yeah, feeling really, really good at the minute. And this MOT is going to be really important because we're going to see that everything is safe and fantastic for us taking it to Portugal again. So yeah, July, end of July, we're heading to Festança, which is a festival in the north of Portugal that we went to a couple of years ago in 2023, and it was absolutely amazing. It was fantastic. It's sort of marketed as a sustainable living and eco-building festival, but that was just a real small part of it. They've got workshops and yoga and all sorts of going on. It's proper hippified, really, really wonderful and really, really lovely. So yeah, we had a great time there in 2023. 5 days at the festival, a couple of days northern central Portugal, straight back through Spain, through France, Channel Tunnel, back to the UK, working on a Monday. So there we go. That's how it's gonna, fingers crossed, work out. So this MOT is going to be nice and important for us to make sure that everything is safe and tickety-boo with the Beau Luna Bus. Yeah, we'll take it from there and see how we go. Right, I'm almost there now, so I shall catch up with you in just 1 minute. Fingers crossed. Right, here we go. Oh, morning, got my van booked in for an MOT. She goes. What I'll do now is wait, keep our fingers crossed.
Because we do have them out there, some of the customers.
I think that's the reason.
How's it done?
KM63.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah. That's the one. Brilliant. No advisories, no?
No.
Oh, brilliant.
Say on that.
Yeah, that's the mileage there.
That's high.
276,855.
So it's just printed, so it's £54.95.
Brilliant. Oh, lovely. Thanks a lot. All passed, yeah?
Yeah, it's doing remarkably well. Seeing as it's on the way back from the moon,
I know, yeah. It's done a few miles, hasn't it? Yeah. Brilliant, thanks a lot. Cheers for that.
Cheers.
Okay, brilliant, that's it. Got the van back. And we're another year's MOT, which is fantastic. 276,800 and something miles. And we're MOT'd, woo, which is now flying away. All sorted. Oh. So yes, passed its MOT, flying colours again. No advisories. So incredibly happy. That's fantastic news. Right, let's get home. I'm glad I showed it some love recently. I give it a clean and darkened in all the bumpers and things like that. They were looking pretty faded and a bit rough, and now it's looking really good as well. The van, it's got a few dents and scratches here and there, but on the whole it's looking brilliant. Happy days. Right, okay, so another year's trouble-free motoring, fingers crossed. At least it's safe anyway. Everything, all the suspension, the steering, the brakes, the emissions, it's all been checked and tested, and it's all compliant and hunky-dory, fun-dabby-dozy. So yeah, absolutely brilliant. Right, I'll catch you again really soon. And yeah, if you want to see what I've done to it, some repairs, particularly on the gearing, because the gearing was really bad when I first got this van. Absolutely terrible, really difficult to select first, second and reverse gear. Really absolute nightmare. We sorted that out. You can check out this playlist here, that'll give you some details on that. Or YouTube reckons this might be a good video for you to watch, and if you want to subscribe, then just click right kind of here. And I'll catch you all again soon. All right, happy days. Bye for now.